Hi there, I'm Fox 13 meteorologist Nash Rhodes, and thank you for logging on to myfoxhurricane.com. I'm going to give you updates on what's happening in the tropics, where we're now tracking two different areas of disturbed weather, one in the North Atlantic and one that'll be tracking into the Caribbean by the end of this weekend and start of next week. Let's start with the area to the north first. This one has just a low 10% chance of development over the next 7 days, but really that 2 to 3 day period is where we'll be watching this. This is a non-tropical system at the moment that will have a chance to take on some subtropical characteristics. If it does enough, it could get tagged with a name. The next name up would be Melissa, but either way, that is moving away from the United States. Our attention is focused a bit more on this wave down to the south. We've been discussing the potential for this for about a week now, and as of yesterday, the National Hurricane Center has actually labeled and tagged this on their tropical weather outlook. It is a tropical wave about 3,000 miles southeast of our state that'll be slowly traversing west, pushing into the eastern Caribbean as early as, again, the end of this weekend, start of next week's forecast. Enhanced satellite imagery showcasing a lot of vigorous thunderstorm activity around the center of that wave, marked with a little yellow X there by the National Hurricane Center. As this does push farther to the west, it'll be working into a more favorable environment to try and come together. Warmer sea surface temperatures and lower strong upper level winds, lower wind shear in general, should allow this to try and get organized as it enters into the eastern and central Caribbean. Tropics watch showing on the Fox model by 11 a.m. here on Tuesday. This is passing just south of Puerto Rico and Hispaniola. I'm pausing it now on Thursday with some of our more long-range forecast models. The European shown in white, the European AI model shown in that tan beige color, and additionally the American forecast model here shown in red. All three of these hinting at the potential for development moving into the end of next week, but notice two different camps emerging. The European model takes this farther to the west, and additionally the American, European AI model, and now the Google DeepMind ensembles all starting to take this system back to the north and east, potentially as a stronger storm. That'll be a trend worth watching in the days ahead, but as we look at the map so far with how this year has panned out, notice most of these storms have stayed well east of the United States. We have had Chantal and Barry, which briefly formed out there in the Gulf. Notice, though, the Caribbean has been nice and clear so far. That means those waters have not been mulled through, and sea surface temperatures in these spots are above average. We have temperatures in the upper 80s, which would be more than enough, even this late in the hurricane season, to support development. We'll keep you updated if anything does form here, or how things are trending in the days to come right here at myfoxhurricane.com.